All right, what's going on, guys? Hope you all are doing well and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to go over my only position for today, Tuesday, February 13th, New York session. All right, so we had a Euro USD trade during London session, GBP USD trade during London session, and for New York session, all right, we only have USDJPY. So before we get into the breakdown of everything, all right, I'm going to introduce to you guys the fuel trading model on on USDJPY. This video is going to be raw, no edits. I have so much to do today, but I definitely want to knock out this content for you guys. So we're not going to do too much editing or anything like that. I'm just going to upload it to YouTube. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Okay. And if you enjoy this content, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. So let's get right into it. So like I said before, this was the only day trading position that I took during New York session. Okay. After we had high impact news released this morning, all right, there wasn't much opportunity on Euro USD, in my opinion, and GBP USD, as well as AUD USD. However, all right, on USD JPY, we definitely had some clean moves, very, very clean moves. So let's just get right into it. So starting out on USD JPY, we had this huge push to the upside. Okay, 8:30 high impact news. We had this nice push to the upside on USD JPY, and really I was looking for either a reversal or a continuation of that move. That's it. Okay, either price is going to reverse or continue or consolidate, one or the other, since we have three options, right? So either you're going to see, when news is released, you're going to see price move, okay? Then you're going to see either consolidation. Here, let's do it like this. So you're going to see either consolidation, all right? You're going to see a reversal, all right? Or you're going to see some type of accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution, which is just the continuation. All right. So if we're looking at, you about to go live? Okay. All right, cool. So if we're looking at USDJPY, we can see that the third option is what happened, right? We had a nice move to the upside based on high impact news. Then we had a little bit of accumulation, and then we had distribution, which continued the original move that started here, right? So let's go ahead and break that down. Now, before we get into the breakdown, I want you guys to understand the fuel entry model, or the fuel trading model. It's a trading model, point blank period, because you don't necessarily need anything else except one time frame and that trading model. And understand that this model can be used on any of the time frames: monthly, weekly, daily, H4, H1. All right. Now, if you want to see this model in action every single day, join in on the free Discord community. All right. It's free. All right. Click the link in the description. Go to mactradingacademy.com. Join in on the free Discord. Okay. And it's going to increase, all right, the amount of times that you see this trading model, because I'm going to be showing you guys this trading model within the positions that I take every day. All right. No matter if it's a win, loss, you'll see the results, and it'll also help you decide what pairs you want to apply this trading model to. So we can see that we had a slight reversal here, all right, starting that accumulation, and price started to push to the downside, all right? On the M1 time frame, we had a sweep of liquidity here, and then price reversed. Now, mind you, this bullish candle here is responsible for pushing price to the downside to sweep this liquidity. After that liquidity is swept, price reversed, and we take out this bullish candle here. All right. What I look for is any inefficient pricing that is offered inside of this bullish candle here. All right. That's where I'm looking to take my entry. All right. We can see that price comes back down, and we can see that within this bullish candle here, we have inefficiency. That's where I'm looking to take my buy position. Now, if you were to go to the lower time frame, all right, you'll see this pattern take place every single time you have a reversal. Okay, so anytime, even if the market is in an uptrend, all right, in an uptrend, excuse me, right, you'll see, okay, we'll have something like this and reversal, and we'll have something like this and reversal. All right, now sometimes it's not as clean cut. All right, sometimes you'll see the reversals take place like this. All right, and yes, this model is not ideal necessarily to trade, all right, but there is still a way to take advantage. All right, my personal favorite is when we see, for example, this area here come down and sweep liquidity and then give us a clean move to the upside. All right, and if it's not this area here, okay, what I'm saying is I don't really like to see a hiccup internally. All right, I like to see price give me a very, very clean cut move like this here, right? No hiccup here. If we do have a hiccup, all right, it's something that you can still take advantage of course, all right, but this move right here that you guys are seeing, you guys see how this is clean cut? There is no internal hiccup or anything like that. We don't see price, you know, do something like this. All right, that's what I like to see. So price comes back down, all right, very, very clean in efficiency, no hiccups, very, very nice displacement, all right, and that's where we took our entry. We risked about 14.5 pips on this trade, all right, just covering this low and rounding up to the nearest whole number. In this case, we didn't have to round up, it was exactly 14.5 pips, all right, and then we were simply looking for 3 standard deviations of this manipulated range here, right? Which was 37.2 pips. All right, hasn't hit target just yet. We're very, very close to hitting target. Hasn't hit target just yet. Hopefully with this sweep of liquidity within the next push, we should go ahead and hit target. And let's talk about our second entry as well. So we had 2 opportunities actually. So we had this pattern form back to back. It doesn't always happen like that. Doesn't usually happen like that, but today it did. All right, so we can see that price pushes to the downside. So we have this bullish candle that is responsible, all right, for taking out this low. And then what happens, price trades to the upside and then trades through. Now, we have a hiccup here, all right? That's not really something I like to see all too much, all right? Not a fan of that. However, we were still able to take advantage of the move because the inefficient pricing that was offered inside of this bullish candle, all right, that was responsible for taking out this low was here, all right, which was above this hiccup, which I'm comfortable with. All right, so we took our entry here, all right, tagged in at 10:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We had a little bit of consolidation within this area here, and then price just takes off and starts to move to the upside. I don't usually move my stop losses to break even or anything like that, but that is something that you definitely can do if you would like. All right, we didn't have any more continuations within this region here necessarily. All right, we did have a continuation here, but I did not take it because it was very, very far up in the premium range. So taking buys within premium is not really ideal for my trading strategy, especially because I am a day trader. But I can go ahead and break this one down to you guys. All right, so I can show you guys the exact same processes. All right, so we had this bullish candle here. All right, price trades through it. This bullish candle is responsible for taking out this low here. All right, we did have a small hiccup when price traded back into this area. All right, creating a swing low, and then from there we create displacement, nice push to the upside. All right, so an entry, possible entry for this area here could either be this region here, this inefficient pricing offered, or this inefficient pricing offered. Boom. Let's go ahead and measure that manipulated range, figure out where we're looking to target. Perfect. So entry would have been here. So 5.2 pips. So remember, we round up to the nearest half or whole number. So I would have been looking at 5.5 pips. And then let's go ahead and set our target we would be looking for 3 standard deviations of this manipulated range. It is very high into premium as well, so you would need to keep that in mind. But we should see this target hit very, very soon as well. All right. So that is a few examples of the trading model. I'll actually leave this here. All right. Just like the previous Euro USD video where I gave you guys a target beforehand. All right. While the trade was live and you guys saw that that was hit. We're going to do the same thing here. So we're looking for price to run into 150.851 for USDJPY. And you guys can go back to your charts. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, 1:24 p.m. All right, and you guys can go back into your charts and look to see if price hits this region before hitting stop loss set here at 150.650. All right, and then that'll give you a little bit of insight on the probability and results of this amazing strategy. All right, so with that being said, I'll catch you guys within the free Discord. Click the link in the description to join, where all we do is talk about this fuel trading model. But if you guys have any other trading strategies that you want to discuss or you need assistance with improving, I don't mind at all. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Much love and peace out.